Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek and welcome to Design Survey YouTube channel. Today we are going to create this effect. Let's get started with the video. But first of all, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that bell icon. And also I want to inform you about my course. It's already launched. Link in the description. Go and check it out. So we have this image. Let's unlock it. So we have to remove background. So for the removal of background, you have to select any selection tool and click on select subject. So Adobe Sensei, it's a AI. It will select your subject for you, and it's really improved with every update. They are improving it. So I think it's gonna do a great job. I think it done a really nice job to select our subject. And if your subject is not selected like this, you can select any selection tool and add and subtract selection from like anywhere. Now just we have to click on layer mask. Now we have to create a solid color adjustment layer. So let's create a solid color adjustment layer for our background. And you can choose any color. I'm going with off-white. It's not exactly white, but it's kind of white. So just hit OK when you choose your color. Bring it down, and now so let's crop our image. So I'm choosing the square ratio. You can choose any ratio if you want to, but I'm going with 1:1 ratio. Just simply crop it. So now we are done with cropping. Let's select our subject layer and make sure your layer image is selected, not the mask. This is really important because if your mask is selected, you're not going to like select the pixels. So let's zoom it and select rectangle marquee tool and make a small selection. Make a really small selection of the part of the body, just some pixels. We are selecting some colors, so it will be like a in a flow. So that's why we are selecting these colors. And you can choose colors from anywhere, and you can do as you're liking. Now press Ctrl or Command C to copy and then Ctrl or Command V to paste and just move it aside. Do the same process for rest of the part of the body. So meantime, you can hit that like button, and if you hit that like button, the algorithm will understand this video is nice and it will show to other people. And if you like my videos, just hit that like button and share it with your friends. Now select all these layers by pressing Shift and select all these layers together and then merge it. Right click and click on merge layers. Now just press Ctrl or Command T for transform and then hold Shift to stretch it. Hold Shift, it's important because if you don't hold Shift, it will not transform like this. And just stretch it as you're liking, put it as you're liking, it's all up to you. Hit that check icon when you are done. Now put this stretch layer under your subject layer. Just click on the layer mask and choose a brush. I'm choosing the hard rounded brush. So you can choose any soft rounded, hard rounded. Make a brush little smaller maybe, and then select. Make sure your foreground color is black, and just start painting on your mask. Make sure you are painting on mask, not on subject, and simply remove the extra part. Okay, let's create shadows for our subject. Create a new layer and select a brush, soft rounded brush this time. Change the size and decrease the opacity maybe up to 12 to 10% between these. Just start painting, and we painted white because our foreground color is white. Just swipe it to black, change the foreground color to black, and just try to create this shadow. Now for the hard shadows, just increase the opacity as your liking, and it will create this nice blend in shadows, and this will create a nice effect. Just increase the opacity a little bit, and let's start painting glass like this. And you can create a clipping mask if you want to. It's totally up to you. Press and hold Alt and just clip it under your pixel layer. Okay, let's create highlights now. Just create a new layer, change the color to white, and make your brush little bigger, and change the opacity as you, it's all up to you as your liking. And I'm choosing this opacity. Just simply paint, and maybe you can play with this layer opacity and clip it also with the layer below. Now simply create a new layer and change the foreground color to black, and maybe increase the opacity a little bit. You can go with 100 also. You can change anywhere you want to, it's all up to you. So just simply dab and press Ctrl and Command T and make it like hold shift and make it little smaller, just like this. And you can play with the opacity of the layer, just play with it. And okay, I'll show you a different way to create the same effect. Let's delete this layer. Let's create a new layer. Now go to brush properties, like here you can go and you can change the angle of the brush, roundness of the brush, and it simply create the same effect, maybe a little more we have to do, just like this. And it's totally up to you, you can choose whatever suits you. So just a dab and this will create the same effect. Just play with the opacity and you get the same result. Now this time for recap. If you skipped all the video, this part is for you, just to see in 1 minute what we did. I already removed the background. Now select rectangle marquee tool and make a selection, and press Ctrl and Command C to copy, and then Ctrl or Command V to paste. Do it for different parts of the body. Then select all these layers and right click and click on merge. Now press Ctrl or Command T and hold shift to stretch it. Put it under the subject layer and then create a layer mask. Select the layer mask and start removing the extra part. And then create a new layer under your subject layer. With the opacity of 12, start creating shadows and you're done. And this is how you can create pixel stretch effect. Like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe my YouTube channel, hit that bell icon. This will help me a lot. And check out my 5-day live course. It's you can just join and check it out right now in the description. Go and check it out, and just love me like you always do. Show your support. Thank you so much. See you in the next one. Yes.